Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best boyfriend gifts is probably one of the most challenging yet rewarding shopping experiences, as you aim to find that perfect item that speaks volumes about your affection and understanding of his unique personality and interests, moving beyond generic options to select something truly memorable and cherished. Number 5. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Introducing the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating a deeply meaningful keepsake. It's a fun and easy activity perfect for making lasting memories together. This kit provides everything necessary for a beautiful hand sculpture. With clear instructions, you can easily create a treasured memento that mom will adore. Looking for a unique gift for your partner? This DIY kit captures your special bond, offering a heartfelt experience that becomes a beautiful piece of art to cherish. Our premium formula captures every detail, ensuring an ultra-precise casting. Even if you're new to crafting, you can create a professional-grade keepsake at home with our simple guide. Move beyond ordinary gifts. This kit transforms a fleeting moment into a lasting work of art, perfect for commemorating weddings, anniversaries, or any milestone. Turn your love story into a masterpiece with this romantic, one-of-a-kind gift. It's a beautiful reminder of the special moment you created it together. What we like? This kit is perfect for couples looking to create a unique and lasting memento of their time together. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners, and captures incredible detail. If you're celebrating an anniversary, engagement, or just want a special date night activity, this is the perfect way to capture your bond. What people say. This is a great gift for your boyfriend. It is a perfect gift for your boyfriend. It is a great gift for your boyfriend. Number 4. Cuishle Shiatsu Neck Massager. Experience deep tissue relief with our advanced massager. It targets knots and tension, providing soothing comfort right where you need it. Enjoy a professional quality massage from the comfort of your home. Its deep kneading action works out muscle soreness in your neck, back, and shoulders. Enhance your relaxation with gentle heat. This feature warms your muscles, further easing stiffness and promoting circulation for a truly restorative experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This massager is ideal for anyone who deserves a little pampering, making it perfect for holidays and special occasions. Unwind after a long day and let the stress melt away. It's designed to help you relax, recharge, and feel your best. Get the benefits of a shiatsu massage anytime you need it. It provides targeted relief to help you feel refreshed and revitalized. What we like? For the boyfriend who's always complaining about aches and pains, this massager is a game changer. It provides deep kneading relief for neck and shoulders, with optional soothing heat. If he works a physically demanding job, spends a lot of time at a desk, or just needs some serious relaxation, this is a gift he'll use constantly. What people say. This is a great gift for your boyfriend. He will love this gift. It is a well-made product. Number 3. RAK Super Universal Socket Tool. Introducing the RAK Super Universal Socket Tool, an innovative all-in-one solution for all your fastening needs. Its unique design instantly conforms to any bolt, nut, or fastener. This self-adjusting tool works with both standard and metric sizes, from 1/4 to 3/4 inches and 7 mm to 19 mm. You'll never need to switch sockets again. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, it's built to last. This heavy-duty tool is rust-resistant and tough enough for any job. Looking for a practical and unique gift? This is perfect for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone who loves cool gadgets. It's an ideal present for birthdays or holidays. Packaged and ready to gift, this tool is a practical and cool gadget that any man will appreciate. Make their Valentine's Day, birthday, or Father's Day special. What we like? This tool is a must-have for any guy who loves to tinker or is always working on projects. It instantly adjusts to fit almost any bolt or nut, saving him the hassle of searching for the right socket. If your boyfriend is a DIY enthusiast, a car lover, or just appreciates practical, problem-solving gadgets, this is a gift that will impress. What people say. The product is well-made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any setting. The functionality is excellent, with multiple features that make it versatile. Number 2. Cosmetasa Arnica and Lavender Massage Oil with Roller. Experience targeted relief for sore muscles. Our unique formula with Arnica extract helps to relax and comfort your body. Find natural comfort for your muscles and joints. This all-natural oil is designed for effective muscle relaxing. Enhance your massage therapy with the integrated roller. It provides a soothing application for deep muscle relief. Unwind with the calming scents of lavender and chamomile. These natural oils promote relaxation and ease tension. Feel good about your self-care. Our massage oil is proudly cruelty-free and made with all-natural ingredients. Keep this essential oil on hand for post-workout recovery or anytime you need to ease discomfort. It's your perfect partner for muscle care. What we like. If your boyfriend is active or deals with muscle soreness, this massage oil is a thoughtful gift. It's made with natural ingredients known for their muscle-relaxing properties and comes with a convenient roller for targeted application. If he's into sports, fitness, or just needs some help easing tension after a long day, this will be a welcome addition to his routine. What people say. It's a great gift for boyfriends. It is very well made and looks amazing. This is the perfect gift for your boyfriend. It's a great conversation starter and looks very stylish. Number 1. Columbia Men's RFID Trifold Wallet. Introducing the Columbia Men's RFID Trifold Wallet. Designed for the modern man, it offers advanced protection for your cards and cash. Equipped with RFID blocking technology, this wallet prevents unauthorized scanning of your credit cards. Keep your sensitive information safe and secure. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures durability while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance. It's the perfect accessory for everyday use. This trifold wallet offers ample space for all your essentials. Multiple card slots and a clear ID window keep everything organized and easily accessible. Looking for a practical and thoughtful gift? This wallet is an excellent choice for any man in your life. Give the gift of security and style. What we like. For the boyfriend who values security and a clean, organized look, this wallet is an excellent choice. It offers RFID blocking to protect his cards and has a slim, trifold design that won't create bulk in his pocket. If he's always on the go, concerned about digital theft, or just needs a reliable and stylish everyday wallet, this is a practical gift he'll appreciate. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The features are intuitive and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.